Niguo kunyihia kiriro kia arwaru KIAMBU kumana na wagi wa dawa mathibitari-ini, thirikari ya KIAMBU iheanite mwerekera mweru muheanire-ini wa dawa, mwerekera uria wirikanite kurehe utheri na gutigirira muingi ni waguneka. Akiaria thutha wa gucera thibitari-ini munene wa Gatundu, Ngavana wa KIAMBU KIMANI Wamatangi urotete ndagitari ni kuhithaga dawa thito handu ha kuhe arwaru, undu uria ugitio ukoretwo ugitumura wagagu wa dawa kwaga na muingi kurarakwo.
When you go to most of our facilities, and that's why you find when we were looking at our proposed pharmacy store in the new facility, that's why you found I took a bit of time to ask the questions. Will people be walking in here? And when they walk in, how will you dispense? But I was glad to hear that you said we are doing shelving in the entire facility, and then drugs will be there. People will walk in.
Wamatangi ahinyiriirio na gutuika thirikari yake nikoretwo ikigura dawa na kuineana thibitari-ini mahinda kwa mahinda, arwaru mathiite na mbere na kunegena kumana na mutugo wa ndagitari kwaga kuigiririka uheani-ini wacio.
You will take as a facility real decisive and intentional action to help us to demystify that thing. So how do you do that? One is I've been advising that because we bring these drugs, they are as good in the store as good in the dispensing pharmacy shelves.
Miario yake ukitiri muingi na atongoria makoretwo magiukirira urugamiriri wa thibitari itiganite kumana na dawa kwa undu uria ukoretwo ugicungiriria arwaru gutumwo nja makaigure.
There's a time somebody complained there was no drugs. I called, I sent a message to pastor, I even sent another message to chief, and they told me it's true that drug is not there, but there's a better drug. So it is upon us, members of assembly, where Shimu was here, when we go down to spread the word. And we were discussing that earlier. It is very difficult to change narrative of something that has been negatively bad for so long. But I'm sure we can do it. And if we support each other, we can do it.
Maya mokitari ndagitari munene wa Gatundu Catherine Munyendo augite makaya marwaru thibitari-ini ni manyihite kumana na mitaratara mieru iria gathikitwo kwambatira ikiro cia motungata.
I'm pleased to report that in Gatundu we enjoy it and we try to work together seamlessly. You must realize that the complaints about our hospital are fewer. Unlike before, we are having more sleep. Before we had a lot of complaints. I know the politicians here in this room can attest to the same.
Kuma thibitari-ini munene wa Gatundu KAUNTI-ini ya KIAMBU, ritwa riakwa ni Mathio Ndung'u.